This is what it was like to rent some bikes in Kyoto, Japan. We found a bike rental place about 10 minutes away from the train station. They charged us 3,000 yen for both of us to rent e-bikes for 4 hours. We really didn't have any plan in mind other than we just didn't really want to walk today. Since we were going to be out in the sun for about 4 hours, we decided we needed to go get hats. We went to the 7-Eleven first and it was $1,400 for a hat. We thought that was too much, so we decided to go to the which is basically like a large shopping mall street. We found these hats for 1,000 each, so we got them. We saw that there was a path down by the Kamo river, so we decided to make our way there. Since we could see the mountains in the distance, I just wanted to keep heading that direction and get as close as possible. Cody saw some rocks you could jump across, so we had to make a pit stop so he could do so. Then we just kept following the trail until it ran out. And when it did, we got on the road and we just kept heading towards the mountains. At this point, we were getting pretty close and the traffic had really died down and we were just in neighborhoods and it was super quiet. It was so nice riding around. We made it all the way to, which is a playground and a park. We figured we were close enough to the mountains, so we were going to find something to eat. Cody found a burger place, so we made our way to Speakeasy. Cody got a hamburger and I got some eggs and sausages, and then we headed back. At this point, we were almost 2 hours of walking back to where we started at. We made it back an hour early and we actually turned our bikes in after 3 hours. We got some vegan cake and kombucha and we called it a day.